National Rail and Transportation Institute releases new notification for the faculty staff. So this is the official website of that college. So here just you go to career option and click on that active requirements. So here this is the career page, and here you can see active requirement. So date is 14 June 2021, and advertise that NRTI/RECT 02 2021. Okay, so here the recruitment details, notice for recruitment to teaching position June 2021. So just click on it, that in view, so you will see the official notice, that notice for recruitment to teaching position June 2021. So National Rail and Transportation Institute deemed to be university, sponsored by Ministry of Railway. Okay, so situated in Gujarat. So here you can see that minimum educational qualification and experiences. So types, that professor. So here you can see all that essential qualifications, and number of post is 3, pay scale 7, age limit 55. Okay, so this is the qualification for the associate professor. Number of post 9. So reservation you can see here for SC 1 and unreserved, that total 8. Now coming to assistant professor, here you can see all that requirement, that essential as well as their additional requirement, and also their number of post is 15. And now coming to preferred or desirable for all faculty position, here you can see all that requirement, that educational qualification from the top 50 NRF 2020 or top 50 QS ranking. Okay, so in the view of specialized sector, specialized course program and research focus, NRTI may consider extensive industrial experience of an academic, postgraduate or doctoral degree in deserving cases. So here how to apply online through the link provided below. No offline application will be accepted. So for that position, if you want to apply for professor, just click on it. For associate professor, click this link, and for assistant professor you have to click on it. So online application already started, that 15 June 2021, and last date is 17 July 2021. So here that specialization area for faculty position for School of Engineering and Applied Science, that you can see mathematics, computer science, engineering, electrical, electronics and instrumentation, civil and geotechnical, robotics, automations and mechanical industry. So this is for School of Transportation Planning and Design. So here you can see that department, and School of Management and Leadership Market, here you can also see that total 8 departments are available. And now coming to that the School of Humanities, Arts, Social Science, so here communication, sociology, economics. And now coming to School of Transport Policy and Law and Regulation, Transport Economics, Public Policy and Management. Okay, so here some general information are there, so you can read here. Okay, so here you can see that no inquiry or correspondence will be entertained. Okay, candidate advised to check NRTI website for updates and related information. So this is the official website. I will give that college official link in the description below. Okay, thank you.